So guys, these are the pak choy I showed you in our previous video. I'm going to transplant it in the garden. These are the spring onions. We're just gonna quickly transplant them. So in the soil it goes. Just gonna cover it with some soil quickly. Now guys, we're gonna plant our scallions or spring onions. I've just created a hole in here. I'm just gonna stick this in here, and I'm just gonna put this here as well, like so. Hope you can see it. And then stick this in here like so, and then we pop this in here, and then I just gently cover it with some soil. Gently cover it with some soil, and then voila, we are done. And we're gonna continue harvesting these scallions. Yeah, so when you buy your store-bought scallions, don't throw away the roots. You can just plant them here, the roots, and you continue to harvest some scallions. Good for garnishing, you know, meal preps and what have you. So I hope you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up or like. Don't forget to subscribe and share. That way we get to grow the channel. Quickly look how veggies are doing in this bit for the laundry basket I told you about. Yeah, so I decided to cover it with this black bag to prevent the squirrel from coming. That's another strategy I've developed to prevent the squirrels from coming to the garden. And as you can see, they're doing quite well. So yeah, and also as a way of like overwintering your plants as well. So try it out and let me know how it goes in there. In the messaging. This is how my more like a greenhouse mini seedling tray is looking. I did tell you about this, that I've used the plastic to protect it from the squirrels and also the snails, and so far it's doing quite well. So yeah, that's how it's looking like. And most of the seedlings are doing quite well as well. Yeah, so I hope you like the video. Give me a thumbs up or like. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Until then, it's a goodbye from me to you. Bye.